These are all PF66 engine oil filters. Now, why do we have 4 variations of the exact same PF66 engine oil filter? We're going to get into that and also the differences between each of these. I cut these open and we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at the internals of them. This one right here is our original PF66. This one is going away. I like to say that this one is being filtered out because unfortunately, in late 2025, First Brands filed for bankruptcy, and that is the maker of this engine oil filter. These will no longer be made. GM actually created an ACDelco filter resiliency portfolio, which gave us these 3 additional engine oil filters. The differences are supposed to be cosmetic only, but from what I've seen, they're much greater than cosmetic only. I believe that these are all 3 upgrades over this variation of the engine oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at each one of these. Now you'll notice this is a PF66A, PF66B. This one comes in with a PF66C, even though it's not labeled on there. That's what it is in the documentation. Now this filter right here, I had a very hard time getting, and I want to do a huge shout out and a thank you to Chris over at Mark Miller in Tulsa, Oklahoma. They actually told me about these filter part numbers. In addition, like I said, I was not able to get this one on my own. They shipped this one to me so that way I can share it in this video so we could see the internals of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this lid off right here. This is an oil filter that is made in Thailand. I am unsure which manufacturer is actually making this engine oil filter, but it does appear to have nice high quality filter media. The inner core is a metal inner core. Looks like a really nice engine oil filter. Let's show the head on there. We've actually got a lot of threads on there, so I think this is a great improvement in many ways. Now, I'm not going to go super deep into each engine oil filter because I'm going to be doing a full-blown showdown of a lot of engine oil filters for the 3.0 Duramax diesel or the PF66. I'm going to have 10 to 15 of these oil filters. So in this video, we are sticking with just showing what the differences are between the filters so you can make a decision which one you prefer. Now, this one right here, PF66B, if you didn't notice already, country of origin, USA. And this one looks extremely similar to that of the Wix engine oil filter. So I believe this is actually a relabeled Wix engine oil filter. We do have a metal inner core. We've got some really nice filter media on there. And out of all these filters, this is actually the largest filter media in comparison to each other. So this looks like a really good setup right here. And if this is in fact a Wix, which I personally believe it is, I think this is a great value. If you want to get a high quality oil filter, stick with the ACDelco brand. This is the filter for you. Now this one right here is the PF66C. And on my research, this one is made in Mali, or made by Mali in Shanghai. Now this looks like another high quality engine oil filter. We can see the filter media. Looks like a really nice media inside. This one, out of all these 3, it appears has the best louver system in there. You can see it's all a metal inner core, but these louvers actually look like they're larger in diameter in comparison to the others. So the flow is going to be great, most likely. But these are our new filters that are coming out right now. They're actually available right now. This one is part number 555-01357. I don't know if I mentioned that. Now this is our original engine oil filter, and I believe this one was made by First Brands. So that is why that this one is being filtered out. Now you can see the media on this one is actually much smaller than all of the others. Just in visual, the weight of this is nowhere near that. We do have a plastic inner core. So like I said, this is the one that is going away. These are, if you like these filters, you better get on that quick. 1273, 5608. All these other filters are available in most areas. Like I said, I was able to get these 3 right now, but this one was tough to get to. So like I said, they sent this over to me from Mark Miller, GMC in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Again, huge shout out. Thank you for sending this my way. Now let's go over the pricing of these. This one right here is $8.68 where I found it online. That is the original PF66. Now when we go to the PF66A, this one is coming in at $7.70. Again, I just did a Google search so I can give some generic prices to share with you guys because everyone's prices are going to be different depending on your area. This filter right here, this is the possible Wix. This is PF66B. This one comes in at $7.70 as well. Now, if we're comparing it to the Wix, there are many different prices for the Wix engine oil filter. And what I found was Rock Auto had this at $5.12 plus shipping, so this can get expensive. If you buy this engine oil filter off of Amazon, then it comes in at $12.30 currently. So with those prices, this one, if you can grab it locally, looks like the best value and excellent media. Whenever I'm not able to run the PPE super huge engine oil filter, I typically go with a Wix oil filter. So this is very nice to see. Now this one, PF66C, this one is coming in at $13.99. However, it is very hard to find online, so check with your local dealer to see if this is available. Hopefully this helps you make a decision on which engine oil filter you like. If you want to see deeper information on this, be sure to watch for that engine oil filter showdown that I'm going to do in a future video. 10 to 15 engine oil filters will be cut up, and we'll be looking very, very closely at all of the internals. Till next time, see ya.